Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in digital finance. Today, we're diving into how to send USDC from XMO to Robinhood in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDC seamlessly between platforms, this guide is perfect for you. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, I'll walk you through the steps clearly and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both XMO and Robinhood. USDC is a stablecoin, so it's great for transfers without wild price swings, but always double check for any platform updates in 2025. Things like fees or policies might change. Step 1. Log into your XMO account. Head to the dashboard and navigate to your wallet section. Locate your USDC balance. That's where we'll start the withdrawal process. Before you proceed, verify your account's security settings, like two-factor authentication, to keep your funds safe. Next, go to the withdrawal page on XMO. Select USDC as the asset, and enter the amount you want to send. Now, here's the crucial part. You need the Robinhood wallet address. Switch over to your Robinhood app or website, go to your crypto wallet, and copy the USDC deposit address. Pro tip: Robinhood uses blockchain networks, so ensure it's the correct network, like Ethereum or Solana, depending on what's supported in 2025. Paste that address into the XMO withdrawal form, add any required network details, and review everything. Hit confirm, and you'll get a transaction confirmation. This might involve a small fee, so keep an eye on that. Once the transfer is initiated, it could take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Head back to Robinhood and check your wallet. You should see the USDC arriving soon. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer. And there you have it. You've successfully sent USDC from XMO to Robinhood. Remember, always stay vigilant with crypto transfers to avoid any scams. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.